Hello friends. Do you remember that golden era when phones didn't have a plain touchscreen, but a real, durable, clicky QWERTY keyboard? A time when a little red light would pulse as soon as a message arrived, and a BlackBerry wasn't just a phone, it was a symbol of power and status. But then came the touchscreen flood, and our iconic King simply vanished. But what if that same magic, that premium business feel, and the joy of that classic keyboard, returned with ultra-modern technology? Yes, you heard that absolutely right. The King BlackBerry is making a comeback, and this time, it's bringing the BlackBerry Curve 2 5G. If you don't want to miss this perfect combination of nostalgia and innovation, then don't skip a single second of this video. Because today, we're going to unlock every single secret of this phone, its powerful features, the estimated price, and most importantly, the launch date. So, fasten your seatbelts, the countdown for the King's return begins. Features of the BlackBerry Curve 2 5G. Design and display. First, let's talk about the one thing BlackBerry is famous for, the design. This phone is returning with its signature square shape, which will make it stand out completely from the crowd. But this isn't just a trip down memory lane. Above the keyboard is a stunning 4.59-inch LCD display, which now comes with a 120Hz refresh rate. Just imagine the joy of typing on your keyboard, combined with butter-smooth scrolling. Social media or heavy apps, everything will be ultra-fast. And yes, that beloved blinking notification LED light is also making a comeback. It's not just a light, it's a BlackBerry feeling that you won't get on today's touchscreens. Camera setup. Now, a feature that will surprise everyone, the camera. If you thought BlackBerry cameras were weak, the Curve 2 5G is about to change your mind. It features a massive 105-megapixel dual rear camera setup. This isn't just a big number, folks. The quality of this sensor is so good that it will capture everything, from the fine details of a business document to a beautiful memory, all in crystal clear clarity. And for your selfies, it has a robust 15-megapixel front camera. Performance and software. The biggest complaint with old BlackBerry phones was the app support. But with the Curve 2, that worry is over. This phone will run on the latest Android operating system. This means WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, and even heavy games, everything will be instantly available on your Play Store. And powering it is a beast of a processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This is absolutely perfect for fast multitasking and heat-free gaming. Your phone will always run fast and lag-free. And most importantly, 5G connectivity. The ultra-fast internet speed that is a necessity today. Battery and charging. In today's busy lifestyle, battery life is the most crucial thing. The Curve 2 5G has not held back here. It comes with a powerful 5500 mAh battery. The company claims, charge it once, and you get 2 full days off. Now you won't have the hassle of hunting for a charger. And for charging, it has a Type-C port that supports ultra-fast charging. Price and launch date. Now for the biggest and most essential question, what is the price and launch date of this spectacular phone? Look, friends, this is going to be a premium phone, but the estimation is that the BlackBerry Curve 2 5G's price could be around $399. At this price, the combination of a QWERTY keyboard and a 5G processor makes it an incredible value for money. And the launch date, according to market reports, it could be launched in early 2026. So, there you have it. The return of the King is set to redefine premium and productivity. Let me know in the comments below.